Well, let's make it thousands of folks lined up at the Richard M. Borchard Fairgrounds in Robstown to receive their first dose of the Moderna vaccine. Now, this right here was a scene this morning. Representatives with the Public Health District estimated they were able to vaccinate between 3,000 to 4,000 individuals in the 1A and 1B category. Now, the fairgrounds also seeing a steady rhythm of about 500 cars or so every hour. While the Coastal Bend continues its vaccination efforts for those specific groups, Public Health Director Annette Rodriguez tells us it's important to wait your turn for the shot.
If you're one of the other individuals that's healthy, doesn't have any comorbidities, wait. We believe that you're coming up in the 1C group as critical infrastructure. We're going to vaccinate you as soon as that eligibility comes up. But for now, let those people that are more vulnerable get vaccinated first.
Yeah, so hold on, right? Rodriguez adds the timeline for people in the newest tier of vaccinations, the 1C group, depends on how fast vaccinations can come in. The state still has up to 10 million individuals who meet the 1B criteria to get vaccinated first. And out of that population, only 2 million have received their vaccine. And around 9,000 second-dose vaccinations will be administered tomorrow and Thursday. People who received their first vaccination on January 11th, 12th, 15th, and 16th should have received a text message with their QR code from the health district today. Now, second doses will be administered by appointment only. This is the number to call, 361-826-7200 if you do not know how to scan a QR code. Also, visit our website, KIITV.com, for a link with all of that information.